Hey guys, so you guys watched the science and the swastika, the deadly experiment the other day, and then I had you all write about it today. And I can say that it appears everybody who has gotten in touch with me and turned in your e-learning assignment, it's been almost unanimous that you all were disturbed mostly by the treatment of the mentally ill and the physically handicapped. Many of you all have expressed that you have relatives, brothers, sisters, relatives in your family who have various handicaps and mental illness, of course, and it's terrible. And I knew that you all would be shocked by that episode, and we watched that in class, so that's not something that you missed out on, and I'm really glad. So I've decided what I'm going to do over the next 2 days. So this video I'm recording on Wednesday, it's for Thursday and Friday. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to share some of the Hitler's henchmen with you guys. And tomorrow on day one, I'm going to give you the information for pretty much the number 1 and the number 2 guy. And then the third guy is kind of different. He's got his own kind of history. But the first one that I want you to look at the document, I'm going to send you a document on Goebbels, okay? And I consider him to be Hitler's right-hand man, Hitler's number 2 guy. And many of you probably have heard of the other guy, number 3, I believe, who is Heinrich Himmler. I think most of you have probably heard of Himmler, but not as many people really have heard of Goebbels. And I used to teach that Himmler was the number 2 guy, but I changed my mind when I did more research. I believe Goebbels really was the number 2 guy. And I want you to read the document about him. It's basically the notes that I would put up on the board and you guys would take down. You're just going to get them. I really want you to read through them though. I want you to look at the things that he did. Look for the reasons why I consider him to be the number 2 guy, okay? That's important that you kind of get that. Then I'm going to give you Himmler, and Himmler is kind of the old number 2 guy who I demoted to number 3. Very, very important dude, and I want you to also look through the document that I send you on him because he's also very, very important. He was an important wheel in the Nazi industry, okay? And then the third guy that I'm going to send you tomorrow is a guy named Reinhard Heydrich. And Heydrich, he's infamous because he was kind of assassinated. Now, there were a lot of assassination attempts on Hitler. This guy was kind of assassinated. And I want you to read through the notes that I sent you. I'm going to send you 3 docs tomorrow. I'm going to have them on the Google Classroom, one for each one of these men. And the third one for Heydrich. I want you to look and kind of see what I mean by he was almost assassinated. How is someone almost assassinated? You read the doc and try to figure that out for me. That's going to be for Thursday. And then on Friday, I'm going to have 3 more guys for you guys to learn about. And then we'll probably do an assignment over these men. I don't know what yet. We'll figure it out. But I want you to get the knowledge. So, great.